how to make your laptop battery last longer. And let's go to method number 1. One of the simplest ways to make your laptop battery last longer is to reduce the screen brightness. So to reduce the brightness, we go to this little part here at the bottom. Let's click here. And here we can already adjust its brightness. In this little part here. We can increase it, and the more we increase it, the more vibrant it will obviously become. But if we reduce it, it will get darker. We're going to set a higher brightness here, because since I'm recording, you need to see better. But I always recommend keeping it at minimum. You'll still be able to see everything. Method number 2, folks, is to disable devices and programs that you're not using. The mouse here is connected to the computer, but let's suppose that it was on the laptop. You're not using it. Disconnect it. The printer. Even USB storage devices. Let's go to method number 3. Method number 3 is to activate power saving mode. For this, folks, we're going to click here on the Windows key. We're going to type power. And when typing power, some options will appear. In the first option here, it says Edit Power Plan. We're going to click on it. There will be these options here. And we're going to click on this option here. Change Advanced Power Settings. When clicking on this, we'll have this little option here on the side. And in the option here on the side, we're going to click on this button. Actually, it's not showing up. So what we're going to do, we're going to cancel here. This already helps you learn too. How to solve this issue. Up here, we're going to click Power Options. Clicked here. We're going to create a power plan. Look, it should be showing up for me. Balanced. Performance. Power saver. Since it's not showing up, it's actually interesting. If it's already showing up for you, here's the option. Maximum power saving mode. Click on it. If not, we're already teaching how to solve a possible problem. In case it's the same as mine, it's interesting. So we're going to click. We're going here, create a power plan. Click here. And here in create a power plan, notice that everything I said appeared. Balanced. It balances performance and power consumption on capable hardware. Power saver. Power saver to reduce computer performance as much as possible, and high performance, which is something recommended for those who work on the computer with heavy tasks. Alright folks, and those who game, it prioritizes performance. It may consume more power, so we don't want that. Since this video is about saving battery, we're going to click here on power saver. Once that's done, we're going to click next, and then click create. Once that's done, it will create here my custom plan. So that was method number 3. Method number 4, folks, is to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when they're not in use. To turn off, obviously, you know this. But in case you don't know, let me focus again. Here is to turn off Wi-Fi. In case you don't know, you click here in this little part at the bottom, and we can click on turn off here, not connected, already turned off. And to turn off Wi-Fi, same thing, just click. Alright. Method number 5, folks, is to use airplane mode. So when activated, airplane mode disables all connections, network connections like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data. This prevents the laptop from constantly searching for connections, which saves a lot battery, right? Method number 6, folks, is to activate battery saver mode, power saving. What we did there was an option within the system, right? Now we're going to do a simpler one, which is just clicking down here, and here you'll have the option. Look, battery saver. Clicked on it. It automatically will be saving more battery than normal. Method number 7, folks, is to avoid overheating of the laptop. Overheating is one enemy, the biggest enemies of the battery of your laptop. So when on the computer, the laptop, it gets too hot. The processor and the other components require more power to maintain performance, which ends up consuming more battery and reducing its lifespan. In the long run, the tip here is to ensure that your laptop has good airflow. Avoid using it on a bed, on a sofa, which can block the ventilation outlets. Use the laptop always on a hard surface, like this one here, also on a hard surface, and flat. to ensure that air circulates, right? Circulates normally. Through everything here, you can also use and invest in, if you can afford 60, 70 Rs, a little more, sometimes a little less, depends on the quality, a cooling pad, right? Which is that thing that you put the laptop on top. Here, it's going to have 2 little fans, and it will be improving the cooling of the laptop from below upward. And if you liked this video and think these tips can help other people, don't forget to leave your like and share with friends and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this one. Also leave in the comments if you also have any tricks, additional ones that can be done to increase the battery life even more of your battery of the laptop. Okay, I'd love to know what you think. Until the next video, and bye bye.